The subject of my presentation is large-scale installation key points with CAPsMAN. Okay. My name is Stavros Maragoudakis, Managing Director of Hellas.com, Microtech Hellas distributor since 2001 and certified with above certifications. Hellas.com is a commercial and technical company. We distribute and support our products and provide turnkey solutions in large-scale Wi-Fi and highways, tunnels, communications projects. Our sales and technical buildings are located at the largest Hellenic port of Piraeus. My presentation includes Part 1, Introduction, Part 2, Eluda Hotels and Resort, a 600 access point Wi-Fi large-scale projects, and Part 3, largest Hellenic General Hospital of Athens, Evangelismos, a 200 access point Wi-Fi project. Wi-Fi major key points. Equipment reliability. Only tested firmware. Structure cabling reliability. Careful radio coverage study. Reliable central management tools. Protect by all means your access point from unwanted signals. And keep signal delay low. With this, I mean provide feed nearby access point the same channel from different switches. Let's start with the first project. Eluda Resort Hotel, a 600 access point Wi-Fi project. Eluda Peninsula is the luxury suite section of the hotel group. Porto Eluda is spa and golf resort of Eluda Hotels. Eluda Mare is the classic hotel of the group. The client requested the shown 6 capabilities, which are inspection of the existing Ethernet and fiber optical networks, full indoor and outdoor coverage with not less than minus 60 dBm signal to the client areas, a central Wi-Fi management platform, visitors, Internet access through hotspot, including social networks, login with bandwidth control per visitor's account, connection with Fidelio platform for clients that require a higher Internet bandwidth with additional charge, and coexistence of secondary SSID for the hotel staff and POS terminals. Large-scale project site evaluation, as you can see here, is of huge importance and must include structured cabling, plus fiber optical cabling, careful inspection and measurements. Live radio coverage measurements also is must. And final, the visual appearance of your works must be nearly invisible. Here is a sample of outdoor measurements at Peninsula. And another outdoor radio coverage measurement sample of Porto. And finally, samples of Mare radio coverage. On existing network cabling, carefully we inspected for the usual electrician mistake, telephone via the structured cables. As you can see here, the fiber optic backbone is quite long and important, thus must also be measured for potential unacceptable high losses. Access point site selection on the same channel require their overlapping areas be with more than 60 dB difference. Maximum avoidance of any unwanted signals, and finally, meet the project signal requirements with less as possible access points. We selected above equipment of the central management. For the system switches, we selected above MikroTik product. For the indoor access point above MikroTik product was the proper selection. For outdoor needs, above MikroTik product selected. Any access point of the system, it is a must, powered by PoE. Any power supplies that we selected was industrial type and very reliable, like the above one. We used a denoise sheld for outdoor equipment's access point SXT to be protected from unwanted signals. We degraded all equipment at outdoor technical department, including their acceptance test, before their installation. We always use only stable tested firmware, and we do their final acceptance test at our technical department before installation. But in this case, we use the beta version because of its very important new functions at the project installation time. After equipment integration, we do script and support comments at our technical department. Equipment configuration carried out with net install and, of course, at our technical department too, before installation at client side. As mentioned before, Routeros CAPsMAN was included, and here it is how we register all equipments in it, in order to provide central management to the project. The central management capabilities of CAPsMAN gave us the ability to configure more easy all equipment from one point. An above picture examples show two SSID configuration, one for the clients and second for the hotel POS. As you can see here, it's a must prior system configuration of the equipment's registration details to be registered on safe tables. We took special care, electrical and mechanical works, to be almost invisible, especially at client route. It is a must. Outdoors also need more care. Electrical and mechanical works must remain nearly invisible and electrical safe. We took special care the power feed electrical side to be made with selection of reliable POE injectors to be easy accessible, as well electrical and mechanical safe. One more example as previous one. In situations like this, apart from the required invisibility and electrical safety, access point radiation lobes must be protected even from not wanted signals. In this photo, you can see the main backbone route here. As you can see here, especially for large-scale project, we focus and in the very friendly login procedure. We took special care for reliable interfacing to hotel accounting platform. Yak box safely help in this. As you can see here, we provide via Yak box a variety of clients-friendly login procedure, which is a must for any hotel Wi-Fi. In the specific project we requested, login to operate and through hotel accounting platform Fidelio, a job that carried out very successful via IAC books. The multiple and very user-friendly login option minimized not satisfied clients, and IAC books help in this as well. Is this a statistics snapshot taken via Yakbox? As you can see, Microtik products easily handled 2,000 connections in September 2016. 500 concurrent online users. Here. They made the bandwidth peaks up to 35 megabps. This is the final proof of the successful installation and operation of this large-scale project. The specific hotel today operates with the latest operation, a fully tested router OS. So let's continue and with our new 2016 large-scale 200 access point Wi-Fi project at Athens, largest Hellenic General Hospital named Evangelismos. The specific hospital is located in the center of Athens. Client basic requirements for the specific project. Study for the structured cabling installation and routing requirements on this 11th floor hospital. Study for the complete Wi-Fi radio coverage at selected hospital areas. Free login Ethernet access with patients and visitors. And access to patients' files from unauthorized doctors via mobile tablets. Our first visit at project site made in order to examine key requirements of the project, which was radio noise level and signal penetration through walls and hospital restrictions. This is a sample of one of 11 floor of the hospital. The visit also has to do with the careful examination and of the rest 3 key points. Access point location, which had been installed on corridor ceilings, areas of the Wi-Fi hospital restriction and concertation points for racks, switches, and PoE. This is the MikroTik Central Management hardware we selected. This is the switches we used, MikroTik of course. The selected indoor access point is the above due its dual band ability. We selected the reliable POE injector only of the industrial grade at the zone 1. Another very important item of the power supply must also be industrial grade and reliable like the above one. For the specific large-scale project, we use 7,500 meters FTP cable. The racks we used was 19 inches wall mount rack 9U. As usual, we carried out at our technical department all firmwares, upgrade, configuration, and final acceptance test as well. All configuration made via net install script at our technical department. Our experience says that a successful large-scale project, integration and configuration steps must carry it out, and our technical department prior installation. The same is as the hotel, hospital, and general large-scale project. Cabling and access point installation must be done with electric and mechanical safety rules as well as to be almost invisible. This is a sample of radio coverage live measurements result regarding access point installation locations at one of the hospital floors. Thank you for the ability you gave me for this presentation. I will be glad to answer any specific technical questions through my mail.